Hey Andrew, this is Dave from Local Splash, uh, the company that I'm sure you didn't want to necessarily hear from again, but nevertheless, our worlds are encountering each other. And I really appreciate having some of the feedback and being able to reflect back on what happened with us. And I'm hoping to be able to set the record straight as well. So I went ahead and took a deep dive look at what happened with with you on our account. I see that you had gone with us 5 years ago, and there was what I see is just a single transaction on about literally 5 years ago. It's May 6th for $2.99. Amy Nelson was the person. She's still with us, and that was followed up a month later on June 7th with a negative transaction for the same amount, and it's because you did a chargeback. And looking at the account notes, I can see that on the 19th of May, just a little bit after you started with us, you started to talk with our reps, and Amy pushed out your billing. But because of that discussion and seeing the chargeback, we accepted and took the chargeback. So that occurred, and from what I can see, we didn't do anything further. We did create a website, and we had the domain created for you, as you know. That's no longer something that we have hosted. But one thing I did notice is that your current website, if you is click through, is going to a sites.google. And while that's okay, you want to be able to try to have that on your own website. It's also something that when you first click to it, it actually gets an error very often because it's not what Google thinks is a secure site for your domain. So you really want to change the landing page to go to that Google Sites on your Google Business profile versus this. But even better, why not make this site work? I'm happy to guide you to using Cloudflare and setting this up on your own for free. No conditions or questions about getting something continued, but I want to provide that consult to you. So I make myself available for that. And just further codification, I did see that we had a Google Ads campaign set for you at that same time. I noticed in the billing here that we actually had that. Unfortunately for us, that simply was a lost cost for us. But that really just confirmed to me that we didn't have anything going beyond that time window, that we just had a 1 month period, and you got $100 in clicks at the time. But nevertheless, I appreciate having some of that sentiment and understanding that account management could have gone smoother. But I hope that you can realize that we're net zero with in terms of dollars and cents with you guys, and actually we it cost us to try to do this, but I'm happy to have learned some lessons and move on, hopefully. I appreciate if you could reflect on the same. And happy to continue to be a resource and give you guidance on myself personally on how to get this set up. I'll go ahead and send you a message about that in addition to this video. Feel free to reach out and take care.